So today I'm going to show you how to add an external bank account onto your Relay business bank account. Now we're right over here on our main account. You can see it says fund your account with confidence here. And there's a button down here that says connect external bank account. Now, if you do not see this here, you might see another option over here towards the top right that says add money or move money. That button will also take you to a very similar spot that we're going to go ahead and click on right over here that says connect external bank account. Now that's going to take us over here to this pop-up menu that lets you know that Relay uses Plaid to connect your account externally. So we're going to go ahead and click over here that says launch Plaid. Now that's going to take us over here to the Plaid pop-up section. And because we already have a Plaid account, it kind of just jumped us over here to select our saved institutions. From your previous setup, it actually will either ask for your phone number if you've ever used Plaid before and have all your saved institutions like I do, or if you've never used Plaid before, it will ask you to go ahead and use it as a new user. And what you're going to do is find a bank account that you would like to have money transferred from into your Relay account, and we're going to show you the next steps after that. So once you find the bank that you want to utilize, whether it's the pre-populated ones or you search for your bank, it's going to show up right over here for you to go ahead and log into whichever account you have. So this is actually going to be logging in with your username and password as if you were logging into that bank. So from here, we're going to continue to log in at the very bottom. Now for us, this brought up a little pop-up menu for us to, again, log into as if we're going into our bank account directly. So we're going to plug in our username and our password and click on sign in. Now from here, it's going to give you a heads up of what they are connecting with on your Relay account to your bank account. So it's just going to give you all the information here. Go ahead and click on continue from this section. And then once again, it's just giving you more detailed information on what they are going to be collecting. And at the bottom, we're going to click on continue. Now from here, it's going to ask which accounts you want to have connected. So if you have multiple accounts in this bank account in particular, just check the boxes on the ones you want to utilize. It'll show you the last 4 digits of every account, as well as the current balance at each of those. So once we click on the one we want to utilize, we're going to go ahead and scroll to the bottom. And from here, we're going to go ahead and click on continue. Now, right over here, it's going to ask you to confirm and connect, just making sure that you chose the correct account or accounts that you want to go ahead and utilize. And we're going to scroll to the bottom. And then from right over here, we're going to go ahead and click on authorize. All right, so after a few moments, this popped up here for us to go ahead and fund our account. It's going to ask how much we'd like to transfer in US dollars. We're going to plug that in. It's going to ask where we want to pull from, which is that new account we just added. And again, it's going to show that balance it's currently available for you. And then it's going to ask you where you want to pull to, which is going to be our business checking account. Once everything here looks good, we're going to click on initiate transfer here at the very bottom. All right, so from here, it's going to have you do a confirm on the details, make sure everything here looks good for you. Keeping in mind, it can take anywhere from 1 to 3 business days to transfer. And from here, it's going to go ahead and click on confirm transfer. All right, here at the very top, you can see that transfer request has been sent and our money is getting started to add into our business bank account. Now, there is more to show you when it comes to using your Relay small business bank account, and we got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen to keep on learning.